it's me, Gianna. Today I'm gonna make blueberry donut. Let me show you the ingredients. Flour, sugar, milk, yogurt, cold egg yolk, blueberries, vanilla, and strawberries. And this is my donut pan. This is the butter to grease the pan. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Look. It's so sprinkly, Mama. The flour is so sprinkly, Mama. It looks like cake sprinkles. Flour goes in. You can mix with the balloons. Mama, that's a whisk, not a balloon whisk. Done. 6 bullets high. And then grab another bowl and mix the liquid ingredients fast. Milk goes in. I love milk and yogurt. Can I taste some of the yogurt? It tastes like milk honey mixture. Cold egg. Goes in. Masih ada vanilla. Okay, makasih. And then the melted butter. Yes. No. I'm gonna mix it. It's a good mixture. Mama! The whisk! Now we're gonna mix all together. Mama, I want the pink one. Thank you, Mama. A pink rubber spatula. Aduk. Mama, I love the wicks. I love the wicks. I love the whisk instead. It's oily. So super oily when we mix this mixture. Scrape the ingredients. Lucu yang ini. Enak. I like it's safe to sprinkle the strawberry on top. Choo. 3 blueberries on each row. Ding. Sprinkle the strawberry. Okay, so it's ready to go in the oven. I already like your donut. Like this. Mama, I It's almost ready. I forgot to place. Let's make it there. These are the ingredients. It's very simple. Only need strawberries, icing sugar, milk, and vanilla. We're gonna put all of it into this jar. First, pour this in. Wow! Then we'll put the strawberries. Pour this. We're gonna blend it up. Yay, this is our glaze. Oh, let's gonna pour it on here. Okay. A doggy. A long recipe.